Why gold and precious metals matter to the wealthy. Welcome back to our channel High Net Worth Living, where we dive into the insights and strategies that help the wealthy grow and protect their fortunes. In today's video, we'll uncover why gold and precious metals play a key role in the portfolios of high net worth individuals. We'll explore the reasons the wealthy turn to assets like gold, silver, and platinum to preserve their wealth, mitigate risks, and even grow their investments in uncertain times. The timeless appeal of gold and precious metals. Gold and other precious metals have held a special place in economies, cultures, and even human psychology for thousands of years. But why? Gold, in particular, is known for being rare, durable, and universally valued. This allure isn't just about luxury. For the wealthy, it represents stability in a world of financial volatility. Unlike paper currency, gold is a tangible asset, one that can't be printed or devalued by central banks or governments. Wealthy investors are particularly sensitive to the risks of inflation, currency devaluation, and economic instability. For them, gold and precious metals offer a safeguard against these uncertainties. Precious metals have been used historically as a hedge against inflation and to store value over generations. While inflation can erode the purchasing power of cash and other assets, the value of gold tends to move inversely to the dollar. This makes it a favored asset in times of economic downturns and currency fluctuations. Gold as a hedge against economic volatility. Next, let's talk about one of the most common reasons high net worth individuals invest in precious metals: as a hedge against economic turbulence. When the stock market dips, gold often holds or even increases its value, acting as a counterbalance to other investments that may suffer in times of volatility. Many wealthy investors hold a percentage of their portfolio in precious metals as a strategic way to lower overall risk. Take the 2008 financial crisis, for example. While most asset classes were hit hard, the price of gold surged, providing a lifeline to those with a stake in precious metals. This resilience in uncertain times gives high net worth investors peace of mind. In their view, holding gold isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's also about ensuring that they can protect what they already have. Forms of precious metal investments. Let's break down some popular ways the wealthy invest in gold and other precious metals. The most traditional form is physical bullion, gold bars and coins. Having a tangible asset can provide a sense of security. However, bullion requires secure storage, typically in bank vaults or high-security facilities, as well as insurance costs. Then there are gold-related financial products. Gold ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, allow investors to gain exposure to the price of gold without needing to store it physically. ETFs are highly liquid, making it easy to buy and sell gold on the stock market. Lastly, we have gold mining stocks. These stocks let investors capitalize on the profits of gold mining companies and can provide additional returns through dividends, though they also come with higher risk. The role of precious metals in wealth preservation. For the ultra-wealthy, wealth preservation is paramount. The goal isn't always to generate more income, it's to ensure that the wealth they've built remains intact and can be passed on. Precious metals fit into this strategy perfectly. Unlike stocks or real estate, the value of precious metals is less tied to economic cycles, and this stability makes them ideal for long-term wealth preservation. In addition to gold, other precious metals like silver, platinum, and palladium offer similar benefits with their own unique market dynamics. Silver is used in a variety of industrial applications, from electronics to solar energy, giving it additional demand. Platinum and palladium are rarer and heavily used in the auto industry, so they have niche but valuable roles in an investment portfolio. Precious metals in the global economy and future outlook. Looking to the future, many wealth advisors expect demand for precious metals to remain strong. Economic shifts, new technologies, and even geopolitical events impact precious metals. For example, in emerging economies, like India and China, growing wealth has led to an increased demand for gold. Even as digital currencies like Bitcoin have entered the scene, gold remains relevant and arguably even more valuable, as it's physical and can be held independently from digital and electronic markets. In times of global uncertainty, high net worth individuals often seek assets they can hold and rely on regardless of economic conditions or shifts in the market. How the average investor can benefit now. What can an average investor take away from this? First, while you may not be investing millions in gold bars, you can still add precious metals to your portfolio through ETFs or smaller quantities of bullion. Begin with a small percentage, perhaps 5–10% of your portfolio, to provide a buffer against inflation and economic downturns. Precious metals can serve as a long-term investment and a security measure that's generally resilient against market fluctuations. Even if you're not aiming to build generational wealth, protecting your investments with a portion in precious metals can be a wise choice. To sum up, gold and precious metals are more than just symbols of wealth and luxury. They're critical tools for financial security, diversification, and wealth preservation, especially for high net worth individuals. The stability, tangible value, and historical significance of precious metals make them indispensable in many wealthy portfolios. If you're looking to safeguard your wealth and navigate uncertain economic times, considering an investment in precious metals might be a smart move. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into high net worth investing and wealth building strategies.